The end of the year is the time to balance the sheets and think about what we did right and what we could have done better. It's also the time for New Year's resolutions and setting up goals for 2023. This is Sina from Kashu, and I'm here to give you a few tips on what you can do to grow your business next year. While we can see into the future, we should always prepare for it with a solid plan. So here are a few New Year's business resolutions that you can fulfill to boost your business growth in 2023. Really get to know your ideal buyer. Failing to know their target client is the reason why many businesses get stuck or even fail. Many organizations operate for years without this essential step and then wonder why their sales never pick up. Without proper direction and a clear understanding of who specifically you're selling to, their offer remains too generic and too vague. As a result, they end up wasting money, time, and resources for little to no return. If you're one of those businesses, stop what you're doing and listen up. You never sell to everyone. Even brands that sell something as essential as bottled water narrow down a segment of the population that they want to appeal to most. Some offer their products to high-end clients, while others aim to budget-conscious customers. Knowing what segment of the population you're selling to will determine your sales and marketing strategies. Yet we understand that identifying your ideal customer is not easy. This is why our marketing experts have created a detailed guide to help you do that. Download it absolutely for free from the description below. Leverage the power of technology. Too many businesses today still use outdated technology and manual work to operate their day-to-day. They might feel new tech is not applicable to their needs, not necessary, or just too expensive and difficult to adopt. The truth is that anything that can help you do your job faster, increase safety, or eliminate human error is the step towards growing your business. Of course, not all organizations can turn entirely high-tech, but there are many ways in which you can modernize your workflow. This includes tools that automate your repetitive tasks, apps that digitize and speed up your systems, and even becoming more mobile friendly. Obviously, any new technology requires an investment. This is why it's essential to evaluate what will bring you the best return and how you can adopt innovation in a way that doesn't disturb the work of your employees. Increase your brand's social media presence. In 2023, simply being on social media will no longer be enough. You have to be consistently visible to your ideal clients. Regardless of whether your business operates locally or globally, social media offers a vast pool of potential buyers. More and more people use digital spaces like Google, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, not only to find your products, but also to determine whether or not they should do business with you. A stable and consistent presence on these platforms will establish authority, increase your outreach, and popularize your brand. As you know, each social media platform is different, both in terms of user demographics and purpose. LinkedIn is a professionally oriented digital space where people usually go to look for career opportunities, networking, and business-related content. This makes it perfect for business-to-business outreach in a more professional tone. Instagram is a great platform to get a consumer directly in a more relaxed and engaging way. TikTok is focused on younger users, so your presence there needs to be authentic, entertaining, and socially responsible. Focus on valuable, engaging, and authentic content. Spamming your audience with pushy sales talk is officially out. Don't try to convince your audience with statements about how great your product is. Today's consumer is sick and tired of sales tactics to the point where they have the opposite effect. Instead of convincing people to buy, they come across as shallow and dishonest. Instead, try to help your prospects solve their pain points and provide guidance that they can apply. If you can offer knowledge and actionable advice to your audience, people will see you as the expert in your field and will trust your judgment. This will make your product and service stand out as the obvious solution to their needs. Add more video to your marketing if you truly want to engage your ideal buyers. It's the best performing type of media. It is easy to understand and entertaining, while it can also pack a lot of information in a short form. It works better than text, photos, and still images, and has a better return on investment than any traditional marketing tool. Video is also incredibly versatile. It can be shot with your phone or produced by a professional studio, and you can use it across all your communication channels. Did you find this video useful? If so, click the like button. Let us know in the comments which resolution you plan to fulfill in 2023. And here's a bonus tip for your New Year's resolutions. Subscribe to our channel to get more advice on how you can use video to grow your business or personal brand in 2023. Check out our blog where you can download valuable marketing resources absolutely for free. Our team wishes you a great holiday season, and we hope 2023 brings you good fortune and many great opportunities.